What's the meaning of bombora? Bombora. Bombora.
Bombora. Bombora. Bombora is an Australian Aboriginal word that refers to a large wave or swell that forms offshore and breaks over a shallow area near the shore. In surfing terms, a bombora is a powerful and challenging wave that can be thrilling for experienced surfers. However, bomboras can also pose a danger to those who are not familiar with the ocean's currents and tides. Overall, the term bombora represents the raw power and beauty of nature, while also highlighting the importance of respecting and understanding our natural environment.